Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video on how to install WordPress on your server. Once you've already gotten an account with My Golden Domains, mygoldendomains.com, you want to hover over here at web hosting, and you want to come down, you want to click on My Hosting Accounts. If you're logged in already, you'll see this screen with a list of your domains that you've purchased, and if you're not logged in, you'll see a login screen that'll just ask you for your customer number and your password. Now, one thing you're going to want to remember is that if you already have a lot of domains, the screen is going to look a lot like mine with a giant list. If you've only purchased one domain, don't worry about it. That's the only one you're going to need. So you want to choose the domain that you would like to use, and right to the right of that you'll see a button that says Manage Account. You just want to click Manage Account relative to the domain you want to use. Now, once you've clicked Manage Account, you want to come over here to the Your Applications button. Just click that. And once you see this screen right below Advertising, you'll see a button that says Blogs. Click that, and a drop-down list will show up. And you want to click the last option on the list, which says WordPress. And then you'll see a big red button to the bottom right, and you want to click that. It says Install Now. It'll process for a bit. And then once it's done with that, it's just going to ask you to choose the domain you'd like to install this on, and you just want to choose the domain, the same one you chose in the beginning. For me, that was this one. So you just want to check the checkbox and push continue. Now, you'll see in the database description it'll say WordPress. You can leave that the same. The database password is up to you. You'll see next it'll say choose install directly. It's gonna say /WordPress, your domain, which will show up right here, and then /WordPress. You definitely want to leave that the same. As for me, I already have 3 installations of WordPress on my server, so I want to name this WordPress 4, but you want to leave it just as WordPress. Don't change anything. And then push next. Next you want to change your admin name. I'm just gonna choose Daniel G. Then I'm gonna choose my password. And then my email address, then my blog title, which I'll call My Team Site. This is going to be the title of your blog, so name it whatever your team name is, Super Go Team or whatever your team name is. Then push the big red button that says Finish. And then you'll see it'll say your installation request for WordPress has been submitted. Now at this point you want to head over to My Applications, this button right there, and you'll see I have a list of 4 of these. Yours is just going to have 1, and it should say under status, it should say creating database. You want to give this about a half an hour to create the database, and then you can move on. In about a half an hour to an hour your installation will be finished, so you'll be ready to start using your WordPress site. Enjoy, everybody.